Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to center text in Google Docs. I show you guys how to do that. All you have to do is just highlight over whatever text you want to center on the page and select format tab and select align and in text. On right side select the alignment you want it. I'm just going to select center, and then that's how it's work guys. That has been sender now, and the another way is to do is align option is here. Click on this drop down, you can change the alignment over here by doing this option, and that's all you have to do it guys. Center alignment. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.